welcome to Alex Fun and Games. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Today's video, we're gonna be playing with a railway race set, and it's really cool. Like, it starts at the first. It'd be better just to show you, and it's really easy to build too. It's really easy to build. Shows you all the pieces and how to put them together. I might as well just show you, then talk to them about it. Okay, we need, comment down below, who do you think's gonna win out of all of these? We're gonna do it in groups of 2. We're gonna do them in groups of 2. We have James. Okay, that's gonna take a long time, so we're not gonna do that. We have all of these people to choose from. Who do you want to do first, Daddy? Who do you think we should do first?
Let's go with just however they're laid out. 2
Okay.
and 2 and 2, and we'll.
And
Is it winner stays on, or is it?
Rounds.
It's rounds. Okay.
So we'll do these 2 first. We just put new batteries in these, so it should be fair.
Okay, so you want to describe how the track works?
Yeah. So they'll start here, and there's this little bump here up. And then when they go, you push these down, and they're gonna be going. You push this down, and then they're not gonna be stuck, and then they're gonna go. And then they're gonna come along. Whoever's on this track, which is Emily, is gonna come around, hit this. It's gonna open the bridge, come around. The person on this track's going down. Person on this track's going up. Then they're going around, and they're gonna switch tracks. So whoever's on this lane is gonna be on this lane. Whoever on this lane is gonna be on that lane. Then they race to the finish, and whenever someone wins, whee! Fireworks!
Okay.
Start?
So, yep, round 1
Who's it gonna be?
is gonna be
James.
James versus.
Emily. Daddy. Okay. Oh, that's just the way they were in. Ready? Are we on? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my word. Oh no, restart. We forgot to reset the bridge. Restart that. We forgot to restart the bridge. Oh yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Looks like James is gonna hit the bridge first.
Oh dear, that's not good.
There, now they're going again. Emily's off, there's gonna be a crash.
Oh my goodness, is this set? What's going on?
I think James is too fast. We'll say James wins, I think. You think? Probably. So, loser. Winner. No, Diesel and Snowy Thomas. Let's up next. Turn them on. You want to release them this time?
What's that?
Do you want to release them this time?
No, it's okay. Go ahead.
It's going to be hard to do this with one hand.
I can release them then.
Okay,
That's what
it's
you
hard
want.
to do. 3,
Ready?
2, 1, go.
Oh,
And
man.
they're off.
And
It's
they're
going to be the
off.
race and slug and snail. Who's going to be the first one?
Oh man, Thomas is off again.
Oh. It's going to crash. Oh no. Who won?
Well, Thomas didn't even make it up the hill, so I don't think he wins for sure.
Yeah, I don't think he won.
I think we're gonna find a little better for round 2 because we'll pick all the faster engines for round 2.
Then we have 2 blue engines. It's going to be Gordon versus Edward. Ready?
Say what? You want the bridge?
Yeah.
Okay.
3,
Hold on. Oh. Say
so
what?
3, 2, 1, go! Oh,
there
it's
we
gonna
go.
be a close race. Oh, Edward fell, but it's still gonna be Oh, maybe not. Edward or Gordon looks like he's gonna do it. Oh, Gordon. Good. Now it's gonna be, what's this guy's name again? Daddy, who's this guy's again? Timothy?
Is it Scruff?
I thought it was Timothy.
Timothy? I don't know who it is. Scruff is green. So
Yeah,
maybe
Scruff's this.
It must be Timothy.
Yeah, Timothy and Connor. They're different kinds. This one goes on a different kind of track, so we don't know how that's gonna go.
Now, each time, are we switching who goes up and who goes down each time?
We probably should.
Okay. This time, this track will go straight.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hot dog. Timothy's off. Look how close it is.
Oh, it's going to be a close race. Not even a little bit. Not even close.
Timothy. Well, we did put new batteries in Timothy, so loser. Connor did, before we did this when we were testing it, Connor did good, eh? Last time he made it 3rd.
All right, here we go. Wait, we got to put our bridge up here.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Philip fell. Hi, Bunny. Hi. Hi.
Oh, winner!
Oh, Bunny, what are you doing? Bunny. Bunny is trying to interfere. Oh, Bunny. Bunny.
The cat is turning the flag. What?
And now
Hi.
she's doing the bridge.
Hi.
Hi. And she's gone. She's like, ooh, what's this thing? Hi.
She wants to race.
Do you know you're being filmed right now?
Move, turkey. Move. Move, turkey.
Move.
Look at her.
Move. Move. Hi. Okay, what's next? Who's the next? Samson and Gator, I think. Are those? Yeah. Is that Gator?
I don't know.
I think it's Gator.
I don't know many of their names.
Oh my word, Bunny. What are you doing? 3, 2, oh, she put it down for us. Good. Bunny, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's gonna be the battle of the greens. It's gonna be the battle of the greens. Oh no!
Oh no, you're supposed to be on the lower track.
You're supposed to be on the lower track. Oh, this is gonna be close. Ah, Gator with the win. Now, who is it gonna be? It's the Rocket, or
Is that what's his name actually?
what's his actual name? Steven, yeah.
That's
Okay.
Steven.
Steven will go
He
here.
calls himself the Rocket, but he's not
Yeah.
really fast.
He used to be the Rocket. 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Percy's not even on.
We didn't turn Percy on. That's problematic.
Three, 2, 1, go! Oh, watch Percy. Ew, that's gonna be close.
I think Percy's gonna get it. I'm not sure.
I think so.
Oh, it's gonna be so close.
Oh, it's Percy!
By just an engine, just a bumper got it.
Super slow-mo replay on that. Slow-mo replay on that. Now it's gonna be two of my favorites, Spencer and Streamline Thomas. Didn't we have a Streamline Gordon somewhere?
I thought we had a Streamline Gordon, but I can't seem to find him. He might
Me
be in another
neither.
set somewhere.
He might be like in another set downstairs, probably. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that's a good battle.
Oh no,
Oh.
it's off.
He's off, he's off, he's off! Oh, jeez. That didn't work!
No. Redo. Oh,
Read it.
man.
Oh,
Man.
Nart.
Well, I guess we're gonna.
Who are we gonna call winner? I think we should redo that.
I think we should redo that too. So we're gonna let that guy go up the hill. We're gonna let this guy go straight. Okay. Keep is that Thomas?
This is Streamline Thomas.
Streamline Thomas. Okay, keep him on that side.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's gonna be close.
Here he's
Oh.
off again.
Come on! Maybe there's something wrong in the track there.
Well, it seems to be a little bump right there. I'm not sure what the deal is.
It's gonna be close. It's gonna be too close.
Oh, it's gonna be another finish. It's Spencer.
Ah, Spencer.
Unbelievable.
I know. Okay, the last two in the first round. I think we put new batteries in both of these
I think these guys are both fresh batteries. Yep.
Victor versus Scruff. 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa. They're zooming.
It's the battle between the fast and the slow.
Victor's got him by a mile.
Maybe not.
He's catching up. Oh, Scruffy!
Scruff again. There's a lot of close races.
That's a close one. Scruff wins. I think Victor was faster, but
Yeah, Scruff took the lower one, I guess. Hey, Diesel 10. We didn't use Diesel 10 yet. We forgot about him.
yeah, no, we raced him with Diesel.
No, we raced Thomas with him.
Oh, we have Diesel 10 to race?
Yeah.
How many we got? 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, he must have got a bye in that round.
Yeah, because we had an uneven number.
Okay.
Now, who do you want to do first?
Still think this is dragging right there. It's catching right there.
Okay. What were you saying, Daddy?
I think this bridge is dragging right here.
Yeah, because when you do it,
It slows right there.
Yeah.
I don't know whether it's just maybe it's just uneven a little bit or something. But anyway, it'll be good for today's races.
yeah. Who do you want to pick next?
All right, so these are our winners right here. Who will we have? We have Spencer. We have
Diesel.
We
We have
have-
James. We have Gordon. We have Timothy. We have Hero. We have Gator.
that guy.
We have Percy. We have Scruff. We have Streamline Percy. And we have Diesel 10. Who do you
All
want to
right.
go first?
How are we going to decide who goes first? How about we take one from each end?
Okay. I was gonna say we could do the two diesels first, but I guess
Round
not.
2 looks like Diesel 10 versus
Spencer. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's a close one. It's gonna be a close race.
I think Diesel 10 is faster. But
Yeah, but they
Spencer
were.
took the shorter track.
Oh, it's Diesel 10 by a mile.
Looks like it. Diesel 10.
Diesel
moves on.
10 with
Way
the
to go
win.
with the win.
Fireworks! Okay, who's next?
Diesel 10 moves on. Next, we've got Diesel versus
Diesel versus Scruff. Alright?
Nope, not yet. Hold on, gotta make sure the bridge is set.
3,
Track is clear.
2,
1.
1, go. Looks like Scruff's faster. The bridge,
bridge
the bridge can go on him. It's Scruff by a mile.
Yep, Scruff by a mile. Gonna make for an exciting round 3. Those ended up fast.
Ready? Who are we doing next?
Next up, we've got whoever that is,
James.
James, versus whoever that is.
Streamline Percy. 3, 2, 1, go. And
Oh,
the bridge
James.
broke.
Bridge took
James
out
fell
James.
off. Oh,
And we're gonna
hey,
have
we're gonna
epic
crash up.
crash. Oh, it's definitely James. James is definitely winning this one. And they're off the track.
You want to redo that?
Yeah, that wasn't good. Somebody
Yeah.
didn't set the points. That's gotta go.
You were the one that set the points.
I know, I didn't do it.
Oh.
So, let's try these ones again. We got James, Streamline Percy.
3, 2, 1, go. Looks like the bridge is broken and it's gonna be uh-oh. It's James by a mile.
James by a mile and a half. Yep.
James by a mile. I wonder if there's gonna be another close one.
I don't know. So, up next we've got
Gordon versus Timothy.
versus
Timothy.
that guy. No, isn't that Gator?
Oh, that's a gator, not Timothy. Close.
3, 2.
1, go.
Oh, the bridge is down. That's okay.
Bridge is down. It's okay. Scrub's off. It's off. He's off. Redo.
Oh, man. Whoa.
Redo.
Okay. Down. Hold her.
Points are set. I reset the points. So, Scruff's there. Gordon's there. 3, 2, 1, go. Looks like it's really close. It's gonna be Daddy!
I fixed it.
It's gonna be close. It might be a photo finish.
Oh, it's gonna be so close.
Ah!
the
It's
green
a tie.
No, it's the green one. They both flipped the flag.
They both flipped the flag. Does that mean it's the green one or a tie?
I think we're gonna have to go in slow motion, but I think you'll see.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to go in slow motion. Comment down below who you think won. But for now, we're gonna say Gator.
We're gonna say it's Gator.
Now, Timothy versus Hero.
Wait, bridge. Points.
Bridge duty. 3, 2, 1, go. This doesn't look good. Bridge is gonna get him. It doesn't look good. Oh, I thought they were gonna hit. It's Timothy by a mile.
Yep, Timothy by a mile. Look, poor Hero didn't make the hill.
Look, this is what the trains have to do. They have to go under the bridge. Back through here. That's what they have to do. That's what they do.
Okay, so we're down to 5.
Huh? How are we gonna make that work?
We'll do it. One's gonna have to get a bye into the next round.
Which one? Gator. Gator's a bye into the next round.
Gator's a bye. He got the lucky.
He
Okay,
got
so
the lucky
he
bye.
moves to round 4, and we've got Diesel. 10
Versus Timothy. We'll say.
versus Timothy.
Diesel 10. He's the 10th Diesel made.
Hold it.
Make sure the points are set.
This time, this guy goes straight, and this guy goes up. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
It's close.
Or is it though? Oh, it's
Could be
close.
Timothy. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna be Timothy.
It's Timothy. Timothy by a mile.
Last round, or not last round, I guess. Last
Last
of
of the
this
third
Of
round.
round 3, we've got these two.
Scruff.
Oh, wait.
James.
We gotta reset stuff. This
Reset the
time we're going
points.
straight and you're going up. Okay.
What? I need to get my position to get this.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2.
2, 1, go. Oh. It's gonna be. Oh, it's James. It's James by a mile.
Definitely James. James is the winner.
James is the winner. Last round.
We have 3 trains.
Huh? What do you mean?
2 winners and him.
What? Oh yeah, because there'd be 5.
Oh yeah, because we had 5, so we had 2.
We're
and
gonna
then 1.
have to let someone pass again.
Okay, let's bring him back. He was fast.
Go.
Okay, so now we have our semifinal round.
Semifinals.
Semifinal round, we've got that guy versus this guy.
Gator versus
Gator
Scruff.
versus- Okay, for the semifinals, we're going to leave the bridges open because we don't want the bridge to knock anybody down. So we're going to leave the bridges open and flag down. Are you ready?
3, 2, 1, go. And they're off. Who's gonna be the first one there? Is it gonna be? Oh, it looks like it's gonna be Gator. Oh, that was a close one. Oh, it's Scruff by a mile. It's gonna be Scruff.
Yes, it is definitely.
Oh!
Scruff stuck. Hold on, Scruffy.
Scruff stuck.
No,
It's still
still
Scruff.
All right, Scruff moves on to our final. Scruff is in the final. It's going to be either James or Timothy.
I think it's gonna be Timothy versus Scruff. Comment down below. What do you think? Who do you think's gonna win? 3, 2, 1, go. It's gonna be close. It's gonna be a close one.
Racing. This is tight. This is going to be close. Oh no, it was going to be close.
It could still be. No,
No,
Timothy.
Timothy. Okay. The epic battle, the final round.
Super slow-mo. Starting in 3, 2, 1.
No.
3, 2, 1. Super slow-mo on the last race.
Oh no! What happened? It's a tug of war! And looks like it's gonna be Scruff! Battle is way to the finish. Scruff's the champion!
Get rid of. Who's the champion, my friend? Loser.
Scruff
Winner.
is the champion.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video.